That's how you're gonna intro the video?
Sure.
Sure. All right. All right. Hesper has an unboxing for you today, and she's gonna get a quick peek at the shoes that I just unboxed that I got this weekend. So the first one you actually don't have to unbox. It's actually right up there. Do you see the new one right there?
The slide?
No, below that.
The legend? This?
Yeah, that's a Legend High.
Oh,
I traded a couple shoes for that.
okay.
And that's a Legend High from 2014.
Mm.
So now I have the low and the high.
Okay.
But the high, that was my favorite one. No, not my favorite. That was my first Jordan that I ever owned. That's why I wanted to get that. That one won't go anywhere.
Okay.
Then I got this one. You're not allowed to see the picture there. But open it up, take a look.
Okay. So his skateboard
Yeah.
dunk. Don't look at
Don't look at the picture, just open
it. Okay. Ooh.
it. Ooh.
What's this supposed to be?
Suede.
I know, but like.
It's not like strawberry or anything.
Okay. They're heavy. Golly.
I think it's just because it's stuck in there.
I don't think I've ever seen a skateboard high dunk.
Yeah, the strawberry cuffs were SB. Hi.
I guess this is like Hawaiian.
Yes, they're Hawaiian. Hawaii. SB Dunkai, Hawaii.
Can't tell what that thing is. I see fire and a palm tree and a volcano and leaves.
Oh, Hawaii. All right, get to yours. Do you like them or not?
I don't know, cause maybe. I mean, I like that it's all different, but this I just assume is related to something I don't want to be related to.
No. Dunkai, Hawaii. This isn't like the strawberry cove.
Okay.
All right, get to yours.
All right.
All right, so I got this shoe for Hesper. It came up on the Nike app, so I was anticipating going for it on the Nike app, but ended up seeing it sitting for sale on Hibbett. So I actually got it on Hibbett, so I didn't have to worry about trying to hit on Nike. And then I actually saw this in the store at Hibbett on Saturday too, but this was already sitting here. So
Kids, cut away. Don't cut towards yourself.
okay, so what comes in that box?
Shoes.
Yep.
12s.
Sometimes. You can read the label.
Women's Air Jordan 1 Low, college gray, white. Does this have that pink? It's like the one I already have.
Let's see. Let me see let me see the sticker. College gray, white. What do you mean, like
The gray one?
the atmosphere?
Like an UGG feel.
What is that?
The shoe.
I know, what's that stuff up there?
UGG stuff.
A Sherpa.
No, it doesn't feel good.
Oh, it doesn't?
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay. I mean, it's okay. It's not bad. It's not like the softest
It's not
stuff
on
I've
the
ever felt.
inside.
It's only on the... Oh, no.
It feels like my carpet
Your carpet? Like
on the floor.
on the... Okay. Not like
dirty
Sherpa.
carpet.
Not like Sherpa. What about the rest of it?
This is nice. This suede's nice.
Yeah, it is pretty nice.
It's kind of cool. They have like different shades of gray.
I thought the colors were pretty... No? You don't like it?
It just made me think of 50 Shades of Grey.
Oh.
And I was like, no.
Yeah. Oh, that's a cool wings tag.
It doesn't
What
have
is this?
anything on it.
Oh.
It's like they forgot to do
What is it made out
something.
of?
Leather, maybe.
Huh.
Fake leather.
Okay.
Leather.
Those colors look pretty nice, though. embroidered wings on the back.
Mm.
There it is. It's pretty nice.
Yeah. It's okay.
Oh, I thought you'd like it, but no, not really.
No, definitely not in summer.
Yeah, I mean, everything's pushed back, so those are probably supposed to come out in like November, and it's April now.
Yeah. I feel like this would be really hot. The Sherpa does go on the inside and the foot part.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, maybe for winter.
Right, it's definitely a winter shoe.
Definitely not feeling it right now. Well, it's winter right now. But
Does the Sherpa go all the way in the sock liner?
no, it stops right here.
Okay.
So it's like from here back.
What about the insole? Is it just a normal Ortholite insole?
Yeah. Nothing special.
Okay.
It isn't. Well, it's kind of soft.
Let me see. It's got like an SB tongue.
Mm-hmm. It's a big tongue.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Well, I think.
Okay, so it does go. I mean, it's all the way down in the shoe, but not all the way to the toe. The Sherpa.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
With my fingers.
Yeah, it is just a normal.
Yeah, it just
Ortholite
stops
insole.
right there.
Yeah.
So this part has the Sherpa. I think the main thing that's a turnoff is this is giant and nothing's happening.
I need something. Yeah, okay, I see.
It's like
I think I agree with that. When I saw it in person, I was like, man, there's a really big tongue. And there's Sherpa all over the outside of the tongue that didn't, I mean, it doesn't need to be there.
Yeah.
If it was just a normal, if it was that suede with like that, the swoosh color Jumpman on it.
Yeah.
It'd give you a little bit more.
Yeah, like, I mean, I like the idea. It just
wasn't
feels
executed
like
right.
it's lacking.
Okay.
Like, this is lacking.
Yeah.
Like, why make this so gigantic and put
Just Sherpa.
rough Sherpa?
With,
I mean, I know it's on the outside. Like, the inside is the same. It's not. Which I know you're just sticking your foot in there and it's just keeping you warm, I guess. But
just not feeling it.
no.
I agree with you, though, that all that Sherpa on the outside of the tongue is useless, fairly useless. And it doesn't feel good to begin with.
All of my dog's hair.
And it needs, like, it would be better if it just had the same suede with like a Jumpman with the same color as the swoosh. Move the tag, we can see the swoosh a little bit better.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, that looks good. Like, the colors look really good.
It just is like really plain.
Yeah.
Which, like, I like the idea of this. It just gives me the wrong vibes.
Yeah. Just because you know the strawberry cough.
Well, the color and what it looks like, and
no, okay.
It's just like.
But if you didn't know that Nike already associated with that kind of stuff, like with the strawberry cough, then would that one bother you? Okay.
I mean, I like that idea. I just like the look. The color scheme was great. I don't want to walk around with something that somebody's like, oh, okay, I know what she likes.
All right. Well, back to this one.
Yeah, this is lacking.
All right.
Underwhelmed.
All right. Meh. Okay. Well, we're gonna take these back. We're not gonna keep these. But I thought you might like them.
Thank you. Sorry, I'm extremely picky.
That's all right. All right.
Thanks for watching. Sorry, so blah. Continue watching all the other videos. Go back and like the other videos if you haven't liked them already. Subscribe. Tell your grandma. Take someone to church on Easter. It's a big deal to go to church, and it's very special to have a relationship with God. Daniel's awesome. You should subscribe to his channel if you haven't already. Like the videos. Yeah. You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Cheers.